मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आसिफ़ है और एपीएस के टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं और कुछ टॉपिक्स मैंने निकाले हैं। प्रेस रिव्यू एक रसाला है, मैगज़ीन है जो कि पब्लिश होता है, जिसमें तमाम एडिटोरियल्स और ओपिनियंस जो है मुख्तलिफ न्यूज़पेपर से वो चूज़ किए होते हैं और तकरीबन हर टॉपिक जो है वो एपीएस के लिस्ट में से कवर होता है। तो आज जो टॉपिक इसमें से मैंने चूज़ किया है उसका टाइटल है गोल्डन जुबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो इसको हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। आप कोशिश करें कि इसको शॉर्ट हैंड लिखने के साथ साथ इसकी लॉन्ग हैंड भी आप लिखें, ताकि स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, नए वर्ड्स और इस तरह के जो भी मसले मसाइल हैं आपके वो कवर हो सकें। तो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 5 seconds स्टार्ट। yesterday April 10 marked the 50th anniversary of the 1973 Constitution, full stop, in a country where the Constitution has been treated more as General Musharraf's famous piece of paper to be thrown in the dustbin than as the highest law of the land. This Constitution Day deserved all the celebration that could be mustered, full stop. The commemorate the day, thus the National Assembly held a special National Constitutional Convention attended by parliamentarians, civil society members, and also Supreme Court Justice Qazi Faiz Isa, full stop. It is a fact that Pakistan has had more than its share of dictators abrogating the constitution, full stop. Those same dictators have then used this very constitution as a cynical shield, full stop. And when all else has failed, autocrats masquerading as Democrats or pure dictators have both made last ditch efforts when they see power slipping away and when their rule is about to end. These last ditch efforts have invariably involved trampling all over the constitution, full stop. The much traumatized constitution of Pakistan was finally restored to its almost original form, though through the 18th Amendment back in 2010, full stop. It was one of the biggest achievement and a breakthrough national and parliamentary consensus, also highlighting how without constitutionalism democracy is meaningless, full stop. Yes, as it stands today, the Constitution of Pakistan is an imperfect document, as most constitutions are, and as a constitution is living document and transforms via new amendments, interpretations, and an evolving society. One would think consensus and democratic law making would take care of all these issues, full stop. Given the political chaos that we are witnessing today, talking about the constitution may sound pedantic, but it is really the most hopeful conversation to be had at this moment in our history, full stop, para. Since both sides of the political aisle are laying claim to both democracy and constitutionalism, may we dare hope for a future where political stakeholders realize that at the end of the day, what really saves them is the constitution, full stop. From Imran Khan's PTI abrogating the constitution through Qasim Suri's ruling last year to the judicial interpretation of Article 63A to the current government's refusal to hold elections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The way that the constitution has been made redundant has been a grotesque reflection of years, decades, early of this document being used merely as a weapon of choice by whoever has been in power and a handy slogan by whoever has been out of power full stop. For example, the PDM and its allies were the only alliance that was successful in sending an elected prime minister home through the constitutionally mandated vote of no confidence. Here we are, seeing the same alliance trying to do everything it can to forget what the constitution says regarding the 90-day mandate for holding elections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa full stop. What is wrong now was wrong then and will always be wrong if the constitution is not followed through full stop para. As a living, breathing democratic country, it would have been good to see the opposition also in attendance during yesterday's Golden Jubilee Convention for the Constitution of Pakistan full stop. It is important even now when nearly every bit of toxicity has entered the political bloodstream to insist on consensus and dialogue instead of useless and unintelligent confrontation that this country is sadly getting much too used to full stop. With 50 years of having survived consistent attacks on it, however, the constitution of this country have never been short of protectors full stop. After 50 years through, though one hopes the basic rules set out by the Constitution of Pakistan finally get respect by all power wielders in this land full stop the end. अब इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स हैं डिफ़िकल्ट जो कि मैंने अंडरलाइन भी किए हुए हैं, आप उनकी आउटलाइन लिखने की कोशिश करें। कुछ मैंने वैसे ये ऊपर आउटलाइन लिखी हुई है, आप इनको भी मैच कर सकते हैं, सेम वही तरतीब है ऑलमोस्ट, और इनकी आउटलाइन ऊपर हैं। मज़ीद मैं आपको डिक्टेशन देता हूँ इन वर्ड्स की जो कि नए हैं और जो इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकते हैं स्पेलिंग के हवाले से या किसी और रेफरेंस से। स्टार्ट। मार्क्ड, 50th, ट्रीटेड, पीस ऑफ पेपर, डस्टबिन, लॉ ऑफ द लैंड, मस्टर्ड, कमेमोरेट, एब्रोगेटिंग, साइनिकल, ऑटोक्रेट्स, मैस्क्वार्डिंग, invariable, trampling, all over the constitution, traumatized, breakthrough, constitutionalism, imperfect, transforms, interpretations, pedantic, asal, at the end of the day, reinterpretation, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, redundant, grotesque, alley, golden jubilee, toxicity, bloodstream, confrontation, set out, full stop। इसकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें। मज़ीद मैं वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ और APS के लिए जनाब ये आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे। इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें। इन पैराग्राफ या इन टॉपिक्स से हट के नॉर्मली FPSC में पैरा नहीं लिखवाया जाता, तो कोशिश करें कि आप इन्हीं को कवर करें, इन वर्ड्स को कवर करें, इनके स्पेलिंग देखें और इनके सेंस को समझें। इंशाल्लाह आप APS क्वालिफाई कर जाएंगे। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।